Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add ruler in your Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open your Google Doc. On top left side, you can see here view option. Just click on view. Now here you can see show ruler option. Just click on show ruler. As you can see on my screen, the ruler is added on the dock. As I am scrolling my sheet, you can see the ruler is moving on top side, also on left side as well. So this is the feature to add your ruler in your Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching.